By the way, why don't we look at silver first? Might as well. I mean, craziness the last couple of days. We talked about this yesterday. You cannot corner the silver market in the way that they
Huh.
cornered some of the other markets. And obviously, in just a very quick fashion, this thing has come back down to reality.
Mhm.
Matt, you first, then I got it Mark's take. Because Mark, I know you read a note from Goldman Sachs a day late, by the way, Goldman. Thank you for that. Uh,
Goldman watched the halftime report yesterday,
they
is what they did.
they must have.
I know. There's some people over there. Um, I don't know. I need to think about my thoughts on silver here today and the attempted short squeeze that was never going to materialize.
Mhm.
Little
Marky.
pipe dreams, smoking some
I mean,
hopium over there.
it got snuffed out a lot faster than I think the people that were specking on it wanted. The big question, from a practical standpoint, because I own silver positions, is what do you do with covered calls? I mean, from a long-term
Nothing. They're back
perspective,
underneath the strike though.
you know, and hopefully you didn't get too aggressive with them. In if they were in the money, buying them and then rolling them out in that's one of the reasons I never do that, is because I hate it when it backfires. But silver will return to normalcy soon. Uh, who knows if this has a little? It might provide a buying opportunity coming up. To be honest, right? If
Hmm.
this sell off reverses course, you get another big down day. Because silver is something I want to own, I'm comfortable owning. Silver is not GameStop. You got treated like that for a day. I think people learned their lessons when they got smacked down on that one.
Futures
But
market doesn't play around.
like, and you were dead on that yesterday, Matt. It's like, listen, don't even mess around with this. But if the sell-off, gains some steam because of all the nonsense, I like silver a lot in 2021, and might provide a buying opportunity here in a day or so.
And
Listen,
here's
we
the
got a
thing.
lot of infrastructure to build around the world over the course of the next 10 years. We need silver at a reasonable price.
Yeah.
But point is, like, nobody's going to allow that to happen, to do what they were trying to do. Um, yeah, Mark, to talk about the silver buying opportunity, I do see it as well, Chucky. I think we got to settle down here,
Yeah, you got to
right?
settle
I
down.
mean, we got to settle down, but I mean the oh, what are you thinking? Like,
I mean,
it's
well, you
tough. The
got a
technicals are
really good.
tough right now.
I mean, you got a support level there at $22, right? That's been that.
I was looking at that one.
So like, you came down there several times. Who knows? Like, because when things spin out in the short term, you don't know where the bottom is. It's the whole catch a falling knife thing.
Hmm.
But it could provide a good opportunity as it spins out. Because remember, heading into this nonsense, silver had been outperforming gold in the last month. The industrial opening up. I mean, it just smells opportunity. You just got to wait for it to calm down a little
I
bit.
think this is one of those prototypical situations where you're like, if you thought about this, okay, so kind of a weird technical pattern in normal market conditions, right?
Hmm.
Think about an earnings report, and then it makes more sense. Earnings report, fill the gap, you wait for a doji, and you reassess.
What do you think about naked puts here, guys? I mean,
No, too much. No, not yet.
Listen,
I'd say the same thing. You got to simmer down.
let it settle in
You
first.
could
yeah,
have another
because
8% down day, guys.
Hmm.
silver I don't treat like. I mean, I do naked puts and volatility strategies all the time. Silver's normally part of my stable portfolio, right? No, silver's part of this portfolio that I do very conservative strategies on. I'm willing to give up a few extra bucks on a naked put right now for technical
You'll wait.
stability.
You'll be patient and get the actual setup. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you'll probably,
Bulls should not be playing in silver today in any capacity. They should wait for the volatility to subside.
it's a no buy
And,
day
and,
right
and
now.
honestly, that could be tomorrow. We're not talking about Bitcoin needing a few weeks to settle down here. We're talking about a 1 day frenzy that got snuffed out and got smacked back down to earth. Just let the volatility in the storyline play out a little bit. That's it. Let it play out. Be patient.